Pyligent turns raw CSA and financial data into clean, auditable decisions, closing the data-to-decision gap that slows collateral operations and increases funding costs. We will show the end-to-end flow: extract, model, optimize, governance report, and executive decision. CSAs are complex legal agreements that directly affect how collateral is managed. In the Document Studio, we extract key terms: governing law, dates, parties, valuation rules, MTA, roundings, and more, all linked back to the original text, so every legal detail flows cleanly into collateral operations and optimization. Today, haircut tables are often maintained by hand and are hard to extract from CSAs. That breaks the workflow and invites errors. Here, we generate the policy surface automatically from the CSA. Eligibility, maturity buckets, ratings, and haircuts by asset type are assembled with evidence. This becomes the constraint set the optimizer must respect. The CSA data model mirrors the downstream API schema, so there's no rekeying between legal terms and operations. Now we configure the run. We don't settle for one setting. We sweep a grid of objective weights: lambda for movement, mu for tail risk, and gamma for breach penalties. We also set multiple cases across base, liquidity, and stress. Our higher-order quantum approximate optimization explores this landscape to find lower-cost allocations that still meet all CSA limits. I can apply policy controls like a 25 BPS buffer and a 20% cash cap while keeping regime M1. The preview confirms exposure, inventory size, and the total sweep. I hit run, and the system executes the search. Moments later, we see the ranked solutions and the best feasible allocation. When runs finish, the governance report compares our hybrid method to baselines across every scenario set we swept. You can see used value, overshoot, daily base cost, movement in lots, CVAR, and the scalar objective, plus a frontier view showing how results evolve as problem size or weights change. For each scenario, we generate an evidence-linked governance pack with all inputs, parameters, and allocations, so audit has a full trail and can replay any result. The analysis report names the winners and quantifies the deltas. CP-SAT parity certifies feasibility and the objective components. You also get the certified allocation and risk windows. This is the decision package for leaders. We recommend piloting the hybrid model with a 9 to 11% objective improvement and 13 to 16% fewer lot moves. Validation is transparent. CP-SAT parity passes across all harnesses. The allocation respects policy caps and movement discipline is clear. Scenario and sensitivity views show where caps bind, how tail emphasis shifts CVAR, and how the breach pricing knob trades cost for headroom. In short, we bridge the gap from complex financial legal operation documents to a precise, audit-ready decision report that finance, risk, and audit can trust. For completeness, we provide a living glossary of objective components, regimes, limits, and methods, so every stakeholder uses the same definitions as the system. For the detailed algorithmic design, please refer to our research paper. We go from an ISDA credit support annex document to a certified allocation with lower daily cost, fewer lot moves, and a clear risk posture. This demo is ready for pilot and production deployment. Book a live walkthrough and we will run this on your CSA and positions.